Hi friends, it's time for class.
Welcome to Learning at the Lake.
Welcome back to Learning at the Lake. We ended with the letter G. So what letter do we start with now? Let's sing the alphabet song and see what letter comes after G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What's this letter? H. It's a beautiful day on the lake, but I need something to protect myself from the sun. I need a hat. What's that? It's a hole in the ground. I wonder what lives there. Do you see that big bird out on the island? It's called a heron. It's time for a review. Are you ready to put on your thinking cap? Tap, tap, tap. Put on my thinking cap. Okay, we're on the letter H. H is for hat. And it's very hot. That's right. Those are some things that start with H. What's the next letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What's this letter? I. Whoa, you should see this. It's an island in the middle of the lake. Coming up to the shore on this island in the middle of the lake. I is for insect. Look at the stripes on its abdomen. This little insect is moving its antenna. This insect looks like a tiny paper airplane. Look at the cool markings. It's time for a review. Tap, tap, tap. Put on my thinking cap. What kinds of things in nature start with the letter I? Bugs or insects? That's right, inchworm. It moves like this. Can you do this with your finger? Great job. A land in the middle of water that you can only get to by boat or airplane or helicopter. When I was on the kayak, I was out on an island. Island starts with I. Great job on the review. What letter are we on to next? Let's sing the alphabet and find out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What's this letter? J. J is for jump rope. Can you help count my jumps? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can we count even faster? Let's try 10 fast jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew! That was a lot of jumping. It's time for a review. Put on your thinking cap. Tap, tap, tap. Put on my thinking cap. I couldn't think of a lot of things for the letter J, but I did do some. You remember I had a rope and I was jumping rope. Starts with a J, so do jumping jacks. I thought of something else. Sometimes at the lake, I'll use a jar. Jar starts with a J. I could drink lemonade out of it. Or I could even see if I could put some leaves inside and put it in the grass, and maybe a bug would crawl inside. and I could look at it. If I cut it open and squeeze it, what would come out? Juice. Juice starts with a J. There are lots of juicy fruit in nature. Great job on the review. What letter comes next after J? Let's sing the alphabet and find out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
What's this letter? K. Kayak. I took the kayak around the island.
It's time for a review. Put on your thinking cap. Tap, tap, tap. Put on my thinking cap. We're on to the letter K. There weren't too many things that started with K at the lake, but I could think of one. I rode in it. It was blue. I used a paddle with it. It's called a kayak. It was pretty fun to go in it. Even Mr. Bear liked the kayak. Great job on the review. What letter comes after K? Let's sing the alphabet and find out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
What's this letter? L. L is for leaf. Lots of different leaves at the lake. L is for lake. And you can see I'm wearing my life jacket. Make sure that if you're by the water or on a boat, you wear a life jacket too. Even my friend Mr. Bear is wearing a life jacket. Aren't you, Mr. Bear? Safety first. Let's go. And logs. Oh, look at the design in this one. Do you remember my dog's name? It starts with an L. Lola.
It's time for a review. Put on your thinking cap. Tap, tap, tap. Put on my thinking cap. And we're ready to talk about the letter L. There were a lot of words that start with L at the lake. Do you remember what I put on to be safe in the water on the boat? A life jacket. That's right. Sometimes we'd see these and put them on the campfire. Logs. Here's my favorite birch tree. And we'll see lots of leaves. They are really beautiful black and white birds that you'll see around lots of lakes. And they have a very unique call. When they make their sound and use their voice, you know it's a loon. Let's say that together. Loon. You may have seen loons. Great job with your review. What comes after L? Let's sing the alphabet and find out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
What's this letter? M. M is for mushroom. This mushroom is growing in the grass and the leaves. Here's one growing on the side of a tree. It looks so cool. What is wet sand called, friends? It starts with an M. Mud. Mud. M is for moss. Here's moss growing across the ground on the island.
It's time for a review. Okay, friends, we're ready for our review. Put on your thinking cap. Tap, tap, tap. Put on my thinking cap. What were some things that started with the letter M? What was all that green stuff covering some of the rocks? And the trees, it's called moss. How about when sand gets wet? What is it called then? It's not sand anymore. Mud. It's fun to play in the mud. You could even make the alphabet out of mud. Oh, we saw some of these growing in the grass, and you sometimes even see them growing on the sides of trees. Mushroom. Great job on the review. What letter comes after M? Let's sing the alphabet and find out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. What's this letter? N. N is for nest. This is a nest of a barn swallow. They like to build their nests with mud and sticks. Here's a barn swallow now. It doesn't like that I'm by the nest. N is for needles. These are the needles of a pine tree. What is Mr. Bear holding? What's that green thing? It's a net. It's time for a review. Put on your thinking cap. Tap, tap, tap. Put on my thinking cap. And we're ready. What things started with N? We found a place where birds live. A nest. That's right. And something to pick up the fish. Sometimes you could use it to try to catch butterflies. A net. That's right. A net is a good thing to have when you're fishing. Sometimes it helps because the fish can be so big that they're heavy to pull in with your fishing pole, and you need a net to help you bring it in. Great job. Let's go on a bear hunt.
Friends, do you want to go on a bear hunt with me? Okay, repeat after me and let's go. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. Let's go. Oh no, a tunnel. I can't go over it. Can't go over it. I can't go under it. Can't go under it. I'm gonna have to go through it. Let's go. Let's go through it. Get down low and go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Woo! We made it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. Let's go. Oh no, a bridge. I can't go over it. Can't go over it. Can't go through it. Can't go through it. I'm gonna have to go under it. Let's go under the bridge. Get down and crawl with me. Crawl under the bridge. Under the bridge. Crawl under the bridge. Crawl under the bridge. We made it. We're going on a bear hunt. Going on a bear hunt. Gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. Let's go. Oh no, it's a big boulder. I can't go under it. Can't go under it. I can't go through it. Can't go through it. I'm gonna have to go over it. Let's go over the big boulder. Big steps, friends. Go up and over the big boulder. Whew. We made it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. Let's go. Oh no, it's a cave. What do you think's inside?
Well, I'm a tiny bit scared. I can't go through it. I can't go under it. I can't go over it. I guess I'm gonna have to go in it. Will you come with me? Okay, let's go. I see some big paws. I see some fluffy ears. I see some big eyes. What do you think it is? It's a bear. Oh, but it's my friend, Mr. Bear. Should we go inside and say hi to him? Let's go. We went on a bear hunt and we found him. We made it. Great job. Thanks for helping me search nature for the alphabet. Come back tomorrow to see what's next.